Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 1995 Toy Biz Iron Man figure. It is Blizzard with Ice Fist Punch. And you can see this has never been opened. It is 25 years old. And here's what the back looks like. I saved this all this time. When I had gotten it, I was a frozen foods manager for grocery retail. And I thought this guy Blizzard was like the perfect action figure. And it is still one of my favorite figures, and I'm just going to add it to the Timmy's 10 again collection. Let's get this guy opened. Here we go. You can hear my hens in the background. We're outside here on Emerald Lake at Hillsborough, New Hampshire. He's always got an action. You got the thing on the back there where your finger's supposed to go so you can turn them. And he's got some kind of swinging action there with his arm. If you can see that. And let's see, does his head move? Head does not move. Looks like it does, but it does not. Knees. And let's see his weapons here. We have this stick looking thing. Whoopsie. Still trying to get that stick out. Nothing on the back with that card, just a clip. Okay, so this is a fist. You can see where the thumb is there, so that would be this hand. Does come apart. So I guess you're just going to clip it on to his hand. Let's see if we could do that here. Come on. Some assembly required. There we go. So that's how it goes on. And then he must hold his weapon ice stick there. And there you have it. He's from the Iron Man series in Toy Biz. It's from 1995, and his name is Blizzard. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again.